Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to overlap two images in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show overlay two images. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now click for picture option. Now find your picture in the folder. Now select from picture. Now select from to picture. Now click for insert option. Now move your picture. This picture is resize the same size. Now side by side. Now select from picture format option, first picture, then click for picture tool from format option, then click for picture effect option, then click for soft edge option. Now select from 25 points. Then again select from second picture, then click for picture tool from format option. Now click for picture effect, click from. Now you can see. Now select from two images. Now going to the now click for group option. That is. Now we can see then I show overlay two picture images in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.